So guys, welcome to our day 3 of our Web 101 class. Today we are going to write the proper HTML5 language. We have HTML versions, and the latest version is HTML5. And there is a standard of writing this HTML5 language. We have a standard of writing. The first line in writing our HTML5 is declaring to our browser that this is a document type. Just to make us understand, this is document type HTML. You understand what I'm writing here now? But there's a way to make this short. So you just say doc type. Doc type HTML. Yes, so we have it like this as our document type HTML, doc type HTML. That means you're telling your browser this is an HTML5 language. So we proceed to write in our HTML just like this. Right click and close it like this. So you can see our opening tag here for HTML. Then you can see our closing tag for HTML. So now we'll put a little enter here, and then we'll proceed to go up as head. Inside this head, the head is just like the human body, where you can put your neck, your eyes. So here we just go for our title. That is the title of our page. The title of our page will go as HTML5. Now let's save it. Let's save it inside our document. Save it as HTML5. Okay. Now we have our proper structure. So this is an head. You can notice the color. We are done with this. The color changed. So this means we are writing the proper HTML here. So we have our head, which serves as the head of a human. So when you're writing your HTML, just know that if you've not written the head, you're not writing the code yet. Just imagine you are building a human body part. So you have the head here, you have the title, that's the title of the person. That can be Mr. Doctor, or Mr. Precious, Dr. Precious, Miss Precious, anything. So this title will go for HTML5. Then we have our head. We close our head here immediately after the title. Now guys, we talk about structuring our HTML. We just put a tab here. This serves as the parent, this is serving as the child, and this is serving as the end of our head. You can see the backslash here. So that is it. / So we go here and put our body. Like I said, when you're writing your HTML5 language, just have it at the back of your mind that you are building a human body part. So after the head is the body, is where the other part of the body can show. So whatever you put inside here is what will show inside your browser. So now when we say h1, then you declare this as HTML5 language structure. I will save this. And go to our documents. As you can see here, we have a HTML5 language structure. You are not seeing the head, neither are you seeing the title. So this is the title here. See the title here up here, HTML5. I'll show you how that is done here. So now here we have our HTML5 language. When you go here, you have it as HTML5 language. So that's the title. That's the title of the page. That's the title of the page. So now we have our HTML5. Then we go down to what was the writing since what we used to introduce. This is a paragraph. You see there, this is a paragraph. You can see this is a paragraph. So I have my form here, what we've written before. So I'll just copy this and put it down here. I'll just copy this and put it down here and structure it. I'll just copy it so that we have a neat code here. You can notice the line here. Can you see the line? So we have a straight line here that is indicating that this is a child inside our body tag, which is our parent. So that we're having this inside here, H1, with one registration form, and we have our input type inside here. So this was our previous class, John Doe at email.com. So you can save this, and you see it here. You see it here. Nothing has changed, but this is the proper way of writing our doc type HTML. Declaring that this is an HTML5 structure. This is how to write the correct HTML5 structure. This is how to write one. So what are we doing? Well, I think I've explained to you that this is the body. This is the body that is where everything here will be displayed. You have your web 101, whatever you write inside this body as the parent. That is what we display here for you. This is what we display here for you. So you can have your H2, say H2, and you tell the body that displays the web content. You can see it, the body tag displays the web content, and you can go as far as texting this to your H3 to H6. And we have all that before, so you just go to this is my H3. See, this is my H3. So we have our form here as John Doe. Then we have our title, which I said before. So this is the proper way of writing our HTML. This is the proper way of writing our HTML. So like I believe now that we all have the insight. We all have the insight about our HTML5 structure. We all have the insight. This is the right way to write. It just comes to your head. Just comes to HTML, which serves as the main tag. This is why you're telling your browser this is an HTML document. So you go here, HTML document, and you come here. This is your head. You can see our head have closed before the body. The head have closed before the body. It's not there. So now we have our body here. We have our body. Now we are here at our form. Then everything here is inside the body. Inside the body. And after the body, we close the HTML. After the body, we close the HTML. So I believe, guys, I've given you an insight on writing the proper HTML5 structure. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.